facing difficulties to successfully complete NEBOSH Risk Assessment. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure you not only complete the project but excel at it. Without any further delay, let's get started. From understanding the project to the final review. The NEBOSH Risk Assessment project is a crucial part of your certification journey. This project requires you to identify potential hazards, evaluate the risks associated with them, and recommend effective control measures. But first, it's important to understand the structure. The project is divided into three key parts: identifying hazards, assessing the risks, and proposing control measures. Let's break down each section. Step 1. Identifying hazards. Begin by walking through the workplace and observing potential sources of harm. This could be anything from faulty equipment to hazardous chemicals. Use a checklist to ensure you cover all aspects of the environment. Remember, the more thorough you are at this stage, the more accurate your risk assessment will be. Step 2. Assessing risks. Once you've identified the hazards, it's time to evaluate the risks. This involves considering the likelihood of each hazard causing harm and the severity of the consequences if it does. Use a risk matrix to categorize the risks as low, medium, or high. This helps in prioritizing which risks need immediate attention. Before we move on to the final step, here's a quick tip. If you're looking to deepen your understanding of risk management, consider registering for the Knowledge Academy's NEBOSH HSE Award in Managing Risks and Risk Assessment at Work training link is in the description. This course will equip you with the skills to handle risk assessments with confidence. Now, let's get back to the project. Step 3. Proposing control measures. After assessing the risks, the next step is to decide how to control them. This could involve introducing new safety procedures, providing additional training or upgrading equipment. Your control measures should aim to either eliminate the hazard entirely or reduce the risk to an acceptable level. Now make sure your recommendations are practical and cost-effective. Finally, conduct a thorough review of your risk assessment. Ensure that your findings are clearly documented and that your control measures are realistic and actionable. A well-organized and comprehensive risk assessment not only demonstrates your knowledge, but also your commitment to workplace safety. And there you have it, your guide to successfully completing the NEBOSH Risk Assessment project. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and safety. And remember, a safer workplace starts with you. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.